Unlike new construction, here we're working on a renovation, but we did lift the house 2 feet, so that meant we had some new space that needed to be covered and look like the foundation.
I knew I wanted to incorporate stone as part of the exterior design on my foundation of my home. And after doing a bunch of research online, I came across CSI, All Things Stone, and I reached out to them. Their team helped walk me through a number of different options and helped me select the product to meet the performance needs and design aesthetic for my home. The stone I selected is from Cultured Stone, and it is the Echo Ridge color in the Dressed Fieldstone style. Besides the look of the stone, what I really love about Cultured Stone is that they have been around for nearly 60 years and truly are the pioneers of manufactured stone veneer.
And it's like a fun puzzle. Like, you can see how Mariah's working. You really have to do one piece at a time.
CSI also provided me with an inventive 2-in-1 rain screen and fiberglass lath called Delta Dry and Lath. It's lightweight and super easy to use, unlike traditional metal lath. Plus, with a built-in rain screen, you get peace of mind thanks to the moisture control and water management features, which are especially important in coastal climates like we have here in Halifax.
And it's a real art form to be able to lay stone like this. So a great thing about this stone is it's engineered, so it is lighter than a non-man-made stone. And it's also thinner. It's very easy to install yourself. The stone comes in flats or corner pieces. The corner pieces are very important when you come to an edge at your house because it's going to really finish off the stone and make it look like that historic foundation that we're going for. You'll want to be patient when you're installing your stone because you need to set it up with a strong foundation. Starting from the ground up, you let your stone sit and set using shims to keep your spacing consistent throughout your stone placement. And then once the stone is set, you can build on that with your next layers. So this is the Dressed Fieldstone with the bright white grout in it, and I just decided to go with white grout to make the stone pop. And I think it gives it more of that historic look, because a lot of the historic buildings around Nova Scotia, you'll notice they have more of like a white grout with a flagstone or a granite. And this looks very much like the stone that's native to Nova Scotia. So I think it fits in with the era of this house, and it gives a really rich touch to it.
Another great thing about Cultured Stone is its versatility. It can be used indoors and outdoors. So if you want to continue the look throughout your home or add another element to your fireplace or a feature wall, it can easily be done.